Is the Savvy Workshop open only to Savvy members, or can any home inspector attend this?
No, it's open to everybody that's a home inspector, whether you're in the U.S., Canada. The Savvy has clients in other countries as well. They're certainly welcome to join us. Again, it's live. The event is live, and you can ask questions as we go along, but also you get the recordings and the whole thing. So if you can't do it live, go ahead and invest that $297, even if you can't attend.
Right. Yeah. You're going to have, you've got it there. So you land up and you have a day, it's rainy. You've had a couple inspections, cancel on you. You've got a couple, 3 hours, pop on the website afterwards, view a video or two, come back, another day, do another couple videos. And honestly, that's a great format to do that because, when you go to a live event, it's like drinking out of a fire hose.
Yes, it is.
It's so much information coming down at you and you feel like you can't control it. This is very controllable for you. You're able to take a video and implement it and refer back to it and all this good stuff. And so for the next year, you've got your growth plan in front of you in this workshop. You just need to go in and repeat or see the videos to help you build it.
I want to follow up, Steve, on what you said. When you go to a workshop, what happens is you spend most of your time taking notes, don't you?
Right.
Not really paying attention to the big picture. Okay, you're taking notes because you're afraid you won't get all this to take home.
Right.
And so that's it. I'll tell you one other thing I think that's a big benefit. We have a lot of clients, tons that are multi-inspector firms, and they all signed up. You know why? Because they might not watch all this stuff, but their marketing people will. Their inside marketing rep will come and watch it. Their outside marketing rep will come and watch it. Their office manager comes and watches it. So it's a big benefit for your staff. And by having one price, $297 for everybody on your team to watch it live or have a replay, nobody in the industry today is offering that value.
No, that's great because most of the time they're going to charge you $297 for every person who attends the meeting. They might give you a little discount, but so if you're office manager and marketing person, they would charge you for that. So $297 for everybody in the office, that's a great value.
So you go to a live event, we talked about it, you still got to have a hotel. Now you take 3 people, you got to have a hotel for 3. Otherwise, the home inspector's wife's going to be upset.
Right.
So you got food and drinks for them. You got the whole thing. So you're talking thousands of dollars, transportation, the whole thing. So here, $297, your whole staff watches it, and you have unlimited access to the replays for 12 months. I mean, it's just a no-brainer. And this is why we did it. Because when nobody else is offering this type of concept, and now that the technology's here, why not?
Yeah, sure. Why not?